If you've recently purchased a Benq monitor and are having trouble with its sound, then you have come to the right place. It can be frustrating. The good news is most sound problems can be resolved relatively easily. The first step in troubleshooting is to check your sound settings. Ensure the monitor is set as the default audio device in your operating system's sound settings. On Windows, you can find this in the control panel under Sound. On a Mac, you'll find it in System Preferences under Sound. If the Benq monitor is not the default, change the settings accordingly. Also, check the audio source. Make sure that your audio input matches your connection type. For example, if you're using HDMI, ensure that the HDMI audio input is selected. If that's not the issue, try unplugging and replugging the audio cable or changing the cable altogether. It's quite possible that a faulty cable could be the one causing the problem. Another common problem may be due to outdated or corrupted drivers. Check the manufacturer's website or your operating system's update tool to ensure your sound card's drivers are up to date. If you notice the drivers are outdated, update them. If the problem persists, try reinstalling the drivers. If all else fails, there could be a hardware issue with your Benq monitor. If your monitor is still under warranty, contact Benq customer service for further assistance. They may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps, or if necessary, arrange for a repair or replacement. Remember, it's vital to keep your devices updated to avoid such issues. Regularly check for firmware updates for your Benq monitor on the manufacturer's website. Firmware updates often contain fixes for common problems and can significantly improve your monitor's performance. With patience and a bit of effort, you should be able to resolve the issue and enjoy the excellent performance that Benq monitors are known for. But if you're not able to diagnose the issue, then click on the link below for the detailed solutions. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.